Kithure Kindiki owacho ni sirkal dhi kaso kendo neno ni jopuonj mane otayo penj maiga mokalo ochul gopegi. Kindiki mane loso e kaunti ma Meru e nyasi ma jagoro mar Kupet, kaunti ma Meru, Njira Mudhoni, bende omedo jiwo wach omenda ma oket thenge ne bajet mar medo lemo jopuonj mar 50,000. Kamano bedo nyaka sirkal med loso chenro mag thieth ma jopuonj yudo kokalo kuma masha e kinde chenro mamoko mag bero ngima jopuonj pachoka.
Found out that there's an outstanding amount of teachers who administered exams last year, which totals to about 1.5 billion shillings. And I want to assure you, from here, I am going to do the necessary things so that government can pay that money as soon as possible. So, as you count your many allies who are helping you to follow up on your issues, I am part of that infrastructure. I'm going to make sure that we expedite and have that matter settled shortly.
We are proud that the job groups have now been corrupted, and the TSC is here. By July, we are expecting, and that is what we have instructed the national office, so that we can have 7 from the 10 which we earned. Automatic promotions. Groups have increased from 1 or 2, significant reducing unnecessary stagnation at C3, C4, D1, and D2. We continue to monitor the engagement between TSC and stakeholders, and we believe teachers must eventually emerge happier and more motivated.
Speaker Marod Bura Mamalo Moses Wetangula, Senator Aaron Cheriot,